Hi WB stars, welcome again to Søllerød Kro. My name is Brian Mark and I'm the head chef here. Now I'm gonna show you our Zander. We also got a la carte up here, so this is actually one of mine a la carte dishes. I got some fava beans with some snails that we matured for 1.5 months inside a sauce. We season it with some ramsons, and the black one is Niçoise olives. We make a tapenade of Niçoise olives, and then we dry it in the oven the night over. And then we get those black nice sheets. It almost tastes like licorice. We fold it like a little black rose. And then we got our fermented garlic cream, black garlic, made of celeriac and black garlic. Nice tip of that. And then we got our bouquet of herbs, bitter herbs, aromatic herbs, iced salads. And then we got our sauce of red wine, port, and the head of the fish. And it's Zander. Just pour that, a little bit of that into the plate. Okay. And now we are ready for serving. We got our pan with a nice fried Zander. Just gonna put it on the plate. Remember some of the butter. There's all the flavor is there. We made a sauce or blanquette sauce out of ramson, eggs, and that we're gonna pour all over the dish. Yeah, fried Zander, ramson, bitter herbs, Niçoise olives, and fava beans. Enjoy.